When I was in law school, there was no alternative voice like yours. The push was work until you like, hey, you're making this grand bargain. You're gonna make some money, but you're gonna be miserable. You're gonna accept it. There was never really an alternative voice that came and said, you know what, there's a different way to do it. That you could do it the way that Sam's talking about it. What's your biggest piece of advice of how to get that mindset shift that there's a different way to do it?
So take advantage the fact that you're young and you take risks. So when you're young, you have more control of your time. You're not tied into anything. Take that time to take risks, do ventures, meet up with people, do projects, learn, take risks. That's really what it comes down to. And the more conversations you have, the more you get exposed to different kind of information online. A lot of that right now, by the way, the best source of any information online right now these days is YouTube.
Don't you watch like how many hours a month do you watch YouTube?
Hours and hours. Like probably,
it's so funny that you're able to proudly state that. Like if like you're a businessman and you are able to proudly state as a lawyer businessman that you watch hours of YouTube, whereas like the rest of lawyers would pretend like they've never watched a YouTube video, and likely the YouTube videos that they watch are probably not educational.
Just learning by itself, it doesn't mean anything at all. As soon as you learn something, okay, what can I do about it? Usually it's as soon as I learn something, I go create it to test it out. If I see opportunity there, then I'll delegate it out. I'll hand it off to somebody and say, hey, go do that.
I love it. Okay.